The novelty of the patent is obviously all about the sliding lid and how it opens the bin's lid. That's all described very well in Claim 1. Later claims allow for additional extras, such as you can have a lockable lid. A lot of people find that other people might throw their kebabs and rubbish into other people's bins, which annoys people, so having the ability to lock the lid is obviously a good feature. Also having the ability to lock the door, so you can stop anyone else from using your bin. This embodiment is freestanding, but there is provision in the patent for brackets for the wall and the floor and the ground anchors, so it can be totally secure. Further in the claims, provision has been made for a sensor to sense the movement of the sliding lid or the presence of a user. So a scent can be dispensed automatically into the waste container to mask the smell of the waste, and also a light which comes on for you at night so you can see.